doing, Harmon?
마티 코치는 요즘 들어 열정이 사라진 알렉스를 눈여겨보고 있습니다.
Hey, what do you think your value is to this team, huh?
My value?
The answer is you have no value. You're nothing. You're an unmotivated pussy.
Okay, just give it to me straight, coach.
Shut up. I got 20 boosters breathing down my neck. I got a defense with more holes to fill than your mother, and my star running back decides he wants to play at Georgia. I don't need your shit right now.
Georgia Tech.
마틴의 알렉스에게 연습을 게을리하는 대신 비밀 임무를 내립니다.
Well, I found a use for you this year. I brought in a new quarterback.
Yeah, I heard about that.
And this year, you're going to earn your value by making sure he's happy. As long as he's happy and productive, you're going to have a spot on this team.
When can I meet him?
Showtime, baby.
새로운 신입생의 등장은 여러 사람에게 다양한 의미로 충격을 줍니다.
Meet your new quarterback, Moran.
Who the hell is this guy?
I have no idea, man.
And why doesn't Coach let the rest of us wear thongs to practice?
테드는 라돈만 특별 대우를 받는 게 불만입니다.
I hate him. You're our quarterback, bro beans, not him.
He's all right. He says he's never been injured, which is great for me. You get a quarterback.
This is my last year before I go pro. I need to leave the school a champion. We can't trust him. Plus, you don't want a freshman starting over you.
Yes, I do.
결국 신입생에게 텃세를 부리는 테드.
I'm your team captain.
My team don't have a captain, actually.
Really? Well, try this one on for size. Take a lap.
You take a lap.
You take a lap or two!
If I take 2 laps, then I might as well run all the way home.
Maybe you should. That sounds like a wonderful idea.
Fine, peace out, homie.
Peace out. Peace out. You too, homie.
다른 학교로 가겠다며 사라지는 라돈을 붙잡습니다.
Radon, look at me. Look at him. Whenever you have a problem, you just go see Moran here. Because he's your problem solver.
I get a problem solver?
Yes.
What's 6 times 6?
36.
This guy's good. I'm back in, coach. Thanks.
알렉스는 라돈을 밀착 마크합니다.
So, where did you play again? Because I couldn't find anything on you.
Oh, all over the place. St. John, St. Peter, St. Matthew, St. Luke's, Patrick's. Then when I went to high school, I moved around a lot. St. Jean's, Devotion Prep, Rikers. I'm here.
Wait, Rikers? Like the prison?
Oh, yeah.
Do I have a surprise for you? Sammy, this is Radon. Radon, this is my best friend, Sammy.
What up, though?
1, 2, 3, surprise!
Sup, Alex?
Holy shit, Mary Jo.
메리는 세미의 이복 동생입니다.
It's a new day, Alex. I came to drink and be a cheerleader.
She's drinking. Okay, that's enough.
Sammy, if I wanted a drunk telling me not to drink, I'd still be living with Dad.
Fair enough.
I've changed, Alex.
Yeah?
I used to not have boobs, and now I have them.
잘생긴 알렉스를 학창시절 좋아했던 메리.
Think about it. Me, you, Sammy, traveling to games together, staying in hotels, going to bars and drinking, and then after going to parties, and then going back to the hotels and partying.
하지만 그때 치어리더 선배들이 나타납니다.
Who's this?
Oh, girls, I'd like you to meet your new cheerleader, Mary Jo. I grabbed her uniform out of the locker room.
She's not a cheerleader unless we say she's a cheerleader. Take that uniform off and get in line with the other freshmen. Okay.
Hold on. She's my sister. She deserves a little respect.
Respect, like this uniform, is earned. You guys seem like a couple real cool sluts. Let's go, ladies! Yeah!
라돈은 연습 훈련에서 엄청난 실력을 보여줍니다.
Blue 18! Blue 18! Set!
It's a run! It's a run!
실력을 보자 단번에 편을 바꾸는 테드.
Yes! Yes! That's my QB!
Second team! Hey, man. Make me look good, all right? Problem solved.
선발이 되기 싫은 알렉스는 일부러 실수를 합니다.
Moran, you had a man wide open downfield. What are you freaking blind?
그런데 안 그래도 뒤치다꺼리 하느라 짜증난 알렉스는 라돈의 놀림에 발작 버튼이 눌립니다.
Hey, nice dump off, dumpy.
Yeah, you straight up suck, moron.
You asked me to make you look good.
I did. When I do that.
Oh, yeah, that really happened, I bet.
Hey, stop touching me, man.
메리는 치어리더가 되기 위해 신고식을 하나씩 클리어합니다.
That's a lot of hair in your mouth.
I have a confession to make.
Oh?
I didn't just come here to drink. I also came here to be a doctor and to see you. I know you like me, Alex.
That's an understatement. You're Sammy's sister.
Half sister, and besides, you wouldn't care.
그때 밖이 소란스러워 나가보는데 라돈은 테드와 어울리며 말도 안 되는 사고를 치려고 합니다.
Get out of the way, Moran. He's a gifted athlete.
Oh, yeah. It's about to be all over the interweb, baby.
What? Drive at me! Come on, baby, drive at me! Fine, kill yourself. I'll start. I don't even care anymore.
Hey, wait a minute. What you just say to me?
I'm starting. It's easier than babysitting your ass.
You wouldn't be able to start a conversation. I done dealt with people like you before, Adam. You scared of the spotlight.
Bullshit.
이젠 인내심이 한계에 달한 알렉스.
Leave the heavy lifting to the big boys, man.
Just forget about it, Adam. It's Alex.
결국 다음 날
Blue 16! Blue 16! Check wild! You're not fooling anybody, moron!
진짜 실력을 보여줍니다. 둘은 여러 수를 반복하며 경쟁을 하는데 알렉스의 실력이 조금 더 뛰어나 보입니다. 마티는 결국 둘을 불러 선발 선수를 다시 테스트하겠다는 통보를 합니다. 그리고 열이 잔뜩 오른 라돈.
Radon wants to see you. He's not going anywhere without me. Let's go.
운동장으로 나갑니다.
Hey, look, I know you're angry, right? But let me talk to Coach Daniels and then we'll square this.
No more Daniels. This QB controversy is between me and you only. Adam Moran, I challenge you to a duel.
총을 보자 눈이 돌아가는 테드.
Awesome!
영화에서나 보던 카우보이 대결입니다.
Whoever doesn't get shot is QB1.
What? Yes! Duel to the death! Look, Daniels is just messing with you, all right? He's trying to prove a point. You could start. I don't care. Oh, come on. I thought you were here to protect me. I was, but this is perfect. Who's it gonna be? Who's gonna bring me my title?
라돈은 숫자를 세기 시작하고 아무리 생각해도 이건 아닌 그나마 정상인 알렉스.
No. Okay, no. Hey, don't shoot. All right, no. Hey, everything you said the other night was true. All right? You got me. I'm afraid.
You about to let me get hit by that car. I trusted you. You were my backup.
He's got a point, Moran. Look, I am still your backup. All right, if we stick together, we could run this school. But nobody's running anything if one of us gets frigging shot. Oh, man. Somebody shoot somebody. I'm not leaving till somebody's hurt.
라돈은 정신을 차리고 사과합니다. 하지만 뒤끝이 조금 있었죠.
Right. Cool. You shot me!
Hey, just in case, man. It's only a scratch, though. I'm a good shot.
빈총입니다. 애초에 죽여버릴 생각이었죠.
Rule number 1 in the duel. Always bring your own gun. Look at that shit, man. I'm helping you out already.
Thanks.
I gotta hand it to the guy. He knows what it takes to win.
Hello, 911. I would like to report a shooting at Blue Mountain State. You need an ambulance. Shooter? Oh, no, he fled the scene. Yes, ma'am. I can describe. He was an unidentified black male.
알렉스는 다신 라돈에게 까불지 못할 겁니다.
I'm gonna sack you so hard your dick's gonna go into your throat and you're gonna choke on your dick and die. Go deep, go.
요즘 테드는 최고의 컨디션으로 날아다닙니다. 너무나 실전 같은 진지한 모습만 보여서일까요? 누군가는 테드가 얄미웠나 봅니다.
Who did that? Which one of you assholes just stuck his finger in my asshole?
그리고 이런 테드의 모습은 모두의 놀림감이 되죠.
Like a sucking in the back of the throat, like a.
Was it you, Moran? Did you stick your finger in my butt?
No.
테드는 사이드 라인에 있던 알렉스가 범인이 아니면 누가 했는지 못 봤을 리가 없다며 그날 본 모든 것을 진술하라 말하고 알렉스는 그날 자신의 상황을 설명하기 위해 아침 회의부터 말을 꺼냅니다.
Alright, we're playing Emerton U this weekend. They're a bunch of cheating, dirty pricks. Alright, now I can't condone cheating, but if it comes to that, I brought in somebody who can teach you how to do it without getting caught. My ex-brother-in-law, Bill Romanowski. Bill.
Thanks, Martin. Okay. A football player is 47, exposed vulnerable areas when fully suited. Area 1, the eyeballs.
이때 마틴은 조용히 알렉스를 부릅니다.
So I got a very special project for you. Great.
마틴은 경기 중 상대팀의 작전을 도청할 수 있는 장치를 알렉스의 헬멧에 설치하려고 합니다. 그리고 연습 때 이것을 훈련시킬 계획인데
During the play in question, I was on the sideline.
I'm gonna sack you so hard your dick's gonna go in your throat and choke up your dick and die.
그때 세미가 연습장을 방문합니다.
Wait, stop. Stop right there. Who the hell is Sammy, and why did he bring a homeless guy to the field?
Sammy's our mascot. And I don't know what the deal was with the homeless guy.
그러고 보니 이상하긴 합니다. 노숙자와 세미는 테드와 꽤 가까이에 있었죠.
Somebody bring me the mascot and lock the doors. Nobody's leaving this house until I find out who stuck their finger in my asshole.
세미를 잡아옵니다.
Who's the homeless guy you brought to practice? And why did you bring him?
Oh, Daryl? Yeah, he's just the guy I met a few days ago at cheer practice.
치어리더와 화끈한 연습을 마친 세미.
Sammy, you are the best mascot we've ever had. We would love it if you showered with us today.
Again?
그때 수상한 사람이 눈에 들어옵니다.
Hey, buddy, this is a closed practice, so why don't you put your dick away and scram?
I'm just watching.
Yeah, well, watch somewhere else.
Look at you. You got everything right in front of you. You don't even appreciate it.
노숙자는 자신이 10여 년 전 BMS의 마스코트였다며 다리 밑으로 데려가 증거들을 보여줍니다.
Wait, you graduated? Why don't you just go pro? That's what I'm gonna do when I graduate.
I tried, but for every pro football team, there's 50 ex-college mascots looking for work. I delivered pizzas in a pirate outfit for a while. Next thing I know, I'm out on the street, begging for change. Take heed, my boy. The Lord giveth, and the Lord taketh away. Especially when your special talents don't translate to the outside world. The outside world. The outside world. The outside world.
What does any of this have to do with my asshole?
자꾸 이야기가 주제를 벗어납니다.
Did you see who did it or not?
No, I didn't see anything. I was taken up by the pile. Daryl, too. But now that you mention it, I do remember looking up and seeing Radon smell his fingers.
Yeah, I can explain that.
쿼터백인 라도는 공을 잘 던지기 위해 집착에 가까운 손 관리를 하고 있습니다. 하지만 그날 시합 전 여친과 뜨거운 시간을 보내 손에 이물질이 생겨 패스를 실수했죠.
I have a better explanation. You threw that interception because you suck and I'm amazing.
Oh, shit! That's blitzing! That's blitzing! Shit!
That's my boy. That is my favorite player on this team.
Great body, too.
Oh, yeah.
Hit! Hit!
Suckers.
Oh! Thank God!
And your fingers didn't smell like shit because of the ball. They smelled like shit because you stuck one or more of them into my asshole.
Whoever stuck their finger in Thad's ass is a disgrace.
모두가 의심이 가지만 다들 그럴듯한 핑계를 대며 빠져나갑니다.
We have a game in 2 hours. We've got the entire team in a pile. Everyone's got a motive for touching my asshole. Guys' hands are smelling like shit. Mascot's got the homeless guy.
Sammy!
And now you're telling me that the coaches could be involved? This goes way deeper than my asshole.
Wait, come on. I mean, how can any of us even be sure that the finger up the ass thing actually happened? I mean, as far as we know, you did it to yourself just to get a little attention.
What? No! I wouldn't even touch my asshole with Larry's finger!
Then maybe before you start pointing your finger at your teammates, you take a look at the people that are closest to you. Where was Larry during all of this?
I got nothing to hide.
레리는 공을 잡은 테드를 보호하기 위해 사력을 다해 함께 맞서 싸웠습니다. 그런데 이야기를 하던 도중 레리에게 떠오르는 것이 있었죠.
Don't I know you?
No, Coach, I don't think you do.
Yeah, I do. You used to be the mascot here. Then I kicked you off the team for trying to sell our playbook 15 years ago. Get the hell off my field. You're a disgrace to this school.
테드는 이것이 노숙자가 범인인 이유라고 말합니다. 현장을 잡진 못했지만 적어도 그에겐 똥침을 놓을 만한 이유가 있습니다.
What better way to get revenge against the school that you have a grudge against than to stick your finger up the captain's ass?
He loves this school, okay? He would never stick his finger up anyone's ass!
You never know. Some guys just get off on smelling people's asses.
He was working for Emerton U. He was using you, mascot.
Yeah?
세미를 설득하는 테드.
And tell us where old mascot is.
He's in the locker room.
To the locker room!
노숙자를 잡습니다.
It's him! His fingers smell like shit!
I'm homeless. All of me smells like shit.
Stop! Everybody move back! Nobody heard him!
He's working for Emerton U!
Emerton U? You kidding? I hate those jerks.
This guy loves BMS. He would never hurt anyone on this team. I mean, look, he carries around a goat doll, for Christ's sake.
카메라입니다. 확신이 든 테드. 그는 노숙자가 에머튼의 스파이가 분명하다며 연습 장면을 담을 이 카메라가 그 증거라고 말합니다.
But you needed an in, so you befriended our mascot. You videotaped our play signals, our audibles, our defensive adjustments, everything. And then came the finishing touch. One final screw you to BMS's finest.
큰 상처를 받은 세미. 그의 조언을 듣고 공부를 하려고 옷까지 범생이처럼 입고 다녔었죠.
You lied to me?
No, I didn't.
You had me believing that I had to go to class to be successful? That I had to learn? That being a mascot wasn't enough?
Sammy, it's true. You have to study hard to get ahead.
Oh, bullshit, Daryl! You're not homeless because you didn't study. You're homeless because you're a traitor!
Give me the backpack, old mascot.
What, this? There's nothing in here but tin cans and some free verse poetry I wrote.
가방 안에는 연습 사진이 아닌 치어리더 사진 뿐이었습니다.
BMS is my pornography. I wasn't taping the signals. I was taping you. I was taping all of you. College was the best time of my life, and I relive it through my video and pictures. Hey, tell it to the judge.
코치들은 노숙자의 카메라를 살펴봅니다.
Coach, there's nothing on these tapes but cheerleaders and mascot practices. Nothing Edmonton could have used against us. I mean, he didn't even have the sound on to catch our audibles.
그때 놀라운 생각이 떠오른 알렉스.
Wait, pause that tape. Coach,
잠깐, 노숙자를 쫓아내는 모습이 카메라에 없습니다.
Coach, how did you recognize that homeless guy after all these years? Like through the beard and the dirt and all that.
I don't know what you're talking about. I never saw that guy before in my life.
테드가 했던 말들이 떠오릅니다.
Get out of the chair again, and I'll have Larry here stick his finger so far up your ass your breath will smell like Larry's finger.
I don't like to smell my balls, man.
So who's using who?
What does that have anything to do with my asshole? You should take a look at the people closest to you. Where was Larry during all of this?
I got nothing to hide. I never saw that guy before in my life.
I wouldn't even touch my asshole with Larry's finger! Larry's finger! Larry's finger! Larry's finger! Larry's finger!
네, 범인은 렐이었습니다.
Why?
You never know. Some guys just get off on smelling people's asses.
렐리를 따라갑니다. 그리고 이번 사건의 놀라운 진실이 밝혀집니다.
You did good, kid. You're not afraid to get dirty, and I like that. Now the team and our captain, they're ready for anything.
And like that, he's gone.
라도는 알렉스가 메리와 아무것도 안 했다는 사실이 놀랍습니다.
Man, so you mean to tell me that you known this girl most of your life and you ain't never had sex with her and you ain't want to?
What? No, that's my best friend's sister.
So? I had sex with all my friends' sisters. And they sisters' sisters. Man, you tripping, man. That girl fine.
그런데 알렉스가 메리를 건드리지 않는 이유는 그녀의 주변을 떠도는 무서운 소문 때문이었죠.
I'm serious. Back in high school, she dated the captain of the hockey team. He was all state, full ride to Michigan. You know where he is now?
No, this is the first time I ever heard of the dude.
Well, he's bagging groceries. Yeah, she made him so happy that he lost his will to compete. All right, most girls are Yoko Ono. She's like Linda McCartney. Right now, you're in the Beatles. You hook up with her, you're gonna end up with Wings.
Who's the Beatles?
I swear, you say a comment like that again, and I'm out.
Make out with me.
No, I should pass.
You know I've wanted to Frenchie since kindergarten.
Oh, really?
어색하게 웃어넘기며 메리를 밀어내는 알렉스. 그런데 여자 때문에 위기가 찾아온 것은 알렉스뿐만이 아니었습니다.
And the defensive line, we're pretty veteran. I was having a conversation.
I don't give a shit. Are you aware that 60% of your team has an arrest record?
Well, that's better than last year.
학장의 워렌이 찾아와 갑자기 마티의 선수들을 가지고 시비를 겁니다. 그런데 워렌의 현 부인인 데브라는 마티의 전 부인입니다.
You know, Dean Simon, I'm having a little difficulty understanding you with my ex-wife's tit in your mouth.
Really? Well, you should try it sometime. Might take the taste of booze and whores out of yours.
You're only with him because you think it pisses me off. Enough!
워렌은 선수들의 이미지 개선을 위해 신성 경기를 주선합니다.
We're organizing a charity game between your players and the St. Mary's Church group.
Father West is expecting you and your players at church on Sunday to announce the event. And then we're sending you on a PR tour.
Really? Well, it ain't gonna happen.
This is your boss, Marty, and the boosters are behind us on this. They think you're finished. I've told them that I think you've got another title in you. Don't prove me wrong. Let's go.
Smile big for the cameras, coach.
Hey, Warren. You walk like a pussy.
결국 주말에 술도 못 마시고 교회로 선수들이 끌려옵니다.
This whole religion thing's a crock of shit. God probably doesn't even exist.
Oh, I love Jesus. He let you do whatever you want to do. All you got to do is apologize after.
You know, I really don't think that's how this works, right?
Oh, hey, listen. Trust me, it is. When I was 10 years old, I burned down my neighbor's house. My mom made me go see the priest. The priest told me all I had to do was apologize to Jesus, and that'll be that. I've been a believer ever since, baby. Jesus!
조용히 친선 경기 발표를 하고 집으로 돌아가는데 라돈이 메리의 연락처를 받아가는 모습을 목격합니다.
Yeah, you know you can't sleep with Radon.
Because you're jealous, right?
No, because he's valuable to me. The team, he's valuable to the whole team.
Since when do you tell me who I can and can't sleep with?
We kind of know your track record with guys.
I wasn't even thinking of porking Radon, but you just talked me into it. That guy's gonna owe you a thank you card.
그날 밤 꿈을 꾸는 테드.
Brian Bosworth? I always said you were God!
Not quite, but thank you.
You're welcome.
Thad, I have something very important to tell you. You are going to go in the top 3 of next year's NFL draft.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! That would be huge for me!
However, in order for this to happen, you must become celibate for the rest of the season. That means absolutely no sex.
No beef? Fine. I got a pocket pussy.
No, we won't have any of that. You will take your little players and keep them in their locker room for the rest of the season.
And if I do that, I'll go top 3?
This is your shot, Thad. Don't blow it. Don't blow it. Don't blow it.
Goodbye, Oksana.
그리고 다음 날
Blue 18! Blue 18! Set! Hot!
테드는 한 마리 짐승처럼 미쳐 날뜁니다.
That's 5 sacks today, Randall. Get your head out of your ass.
O-line can't hold him today, coach.
Hey, what they put in your steroids today?
Born again virginity. Brian Bosworth told me if I go beaver free, I'm gonna go top 3 in the draft. Just a heads up, ladies. I'm beaver free until further notice, so don't try and seduce me with your knockers. It won't work. You're dismissed.
What kind of idiot gives up sex for football?
An idiot who wants to be the best.
Man, I could never give up sex.
That's why you'll never be great.
라돈은 테드의 말에 신경을 쓰지 않았습니다. 하지만
Here with the biggest sack magnet in BMS history. Radon Rendell, tell us what it's like to suck so bad at football.
Some people just have a bad day, man.
계속되는 조롱에 표정이 좋지 않은 라돈. 이때 알렉스는 메리와 잠자리를 못하게 하려고 라돈에게도 금욕을 하라며 부추깁니다.
No, the only reason why that guy's beating you is because he's giving up sex. If you want the humiliation to end, you gotta do it too.
That's impossible.
It's either that or you go all season with that guy kicking your ass.
메리가 다가옵니다. 그리고 함께 술을 마시자고 하는데
I gotta go to the bathroom.
라돈은 승리를 위해 금욕을 선언합니다.
What'd you say to him?
I didn't say anything. Maybe you're not his type.
I'm gonna nail that guy, and you can't stop me.
The sight of your awesome boobs disgusts me!
다음 날 두 마리 황소가 미쳐 날뜁니다.
Hey, what is it with you two? You've been at each other's throats all day.
He stole my move, coach! Brian Bosworth came to me and said, if I start boning sleuths, I'll go top 3 in the draft. Now this prick is going beaver free too. It's a lifestyle choice, man!
Hey, hold on. Are you trying to tell me that both of you are celibate?
Yes, coach!
I like it. I like this celibacy thing. Okay, from this point forward, everybody on this team is celibate. John, call the papers. I want you to give them the headline, BMS team celibate.
마티의 선포로 인해 BMS에서 파티는 금지되고 선수들은 하루도 못 가 금단 현상이 나타납니다.
It's only been 24 hours for me. But I already feel my balls getting heavier. And I'm afraid that's gonna affect my kicking.
I'm having serious concerns that if I have to go through this for even one more day, my balls will go straight up, eat each other.
하지만 이들의 상태가 이해가 가지 않는 신부.
Have any of you ever tried prayer? Prayer might work for you. You've never had sex.
한편 세미는 마티와 함께 행사에 참석합니다. 그리고 평소에는 보지 못했던 우스꽝스러운 마티.
Yeah, all right, that hair that looks really stupid on you. Yeah, I can't believe she's making you wear that.
Picture time.
Yeah, I'll take the picture. Here you go.
마티는 개꿀 빠는 BMS의 코치직을 버릴 수가 없어 시키는 대로 하는 거지만 세미는 이런 그의 마음을 모른 채 안타까운 동정심이 들기 시작합니다.
But coach, I have something to say that I've wanted to say for a couple days now. You're acting like they're a little bitch, okay? There, I said it. I said it.
Excuse me.
I've never done a single thing anybody has told me to do in my entire life. My dad told me not to waste my time at college. I applied the next day. My doctors told me to stop drinking. I drink every chance I get. Grow a pair of balls and stop being a bitch.
Get out of the car.
No. Nope.
친선 시합 당일.
Did you guys tape your boners up or down?
I take my shit down, man. You should try it.
양기가 가득 찬 물건을 봉인하며 시합을 준비합니다.
Understood?
시합이 시작됩니다.
No beef on 3! 1, 2, 3, no beef!
하지만 상대는 악어우리에 떨어진 닭 한 마리 같았죠.
Sorry! Brian Paul's what made me do it! I'm sorry!
Marty, keep it clean for a change, huh?
마티는 듣지 않고 압도적인 경기가 이어집니다.
You better get this under control. Your team's embarrassing us in front of the entire country.
I took your wife, Marty. Don't make me take your job, too.
Stop being their bitch, coach. Come on, don't do it.
Hey, Warren. The day I let you or your wife tell me how to deal with my players is the day Deborah swallows.
Excuse me?
You want to fire me? Good. I want you to. Because I'll find another coaching job. And when I do, I'll come back here every year and I'll kick your ass. Because you are nothing without me. And neither are you.
이제야 자신의 본 모습으로 다시 태어난 마티. 그때 라돈이 교체되며 알렉스를 출전시키는데 알렉스의 눈에 메리의 손을 잡고 사라지는 라돈이 보였죠.
I gotta go poop.
Hold it in. Get in there.
You better pray, son! No, I got your number. You had better pray!
신부도 양기가 가득 차 보입니다. 일단 라돈이 들어간 화장실로 공을 던지는 알렉스.
You like that hot shot? That's how we do in God's house. Yeah!
Father, you need to get laid.
I broke my dickie! Oh, it hurt!
Hey, Coach Marty Daniels from Blue Mountain State here. When I'm not winning national championships, I like to eat a Greg James Chicken Shack. Take it from me. These guys know chicken. They know how to bread it, fry it, and put it in a family fun bucket. What could be better? They've got breasts. They've got legs. They've got wings. So come on down to Greg James Chicken Shack on Route 34. They take good care of you here.
마티가 치킨쉑 광고를 찍으며 기념으로 파티를 엽니다.
This is Coach Daniel's house?
Yeah.
This can't be right.
No, yeah, this is what $4 million a year buys you.
마티의 집은 놀라웠습니다.
I'm gonna have a house like this someday.
Yeah, man. That's when we do the coaching.
이때 연습생인 보디가 나타나 마스코트인 세미가 왜 이곳에 있냐며 놀리죠.
Last time I checked, Bodie, you weren't on the team. That's why they call it the practice squad.
Okay, practice squad, schmacktice squad. I am part of this team.
And one day, I'm gonna run out on that field, dressed in the blue and orange, just like you.
He just spit my beer!
God, that guy sucks.
마티는 광고주를 만납니다.
Oh, wait, before I forget, I got that check for the chicken shack spot you did for me. I figured since I was going to be seeing you, I'd just give it to you myself. I put a little extra in there for you.
Why's that?
Well, it's my son Bodie's senior year. You know, he's been on your practice squad for 4 years now.
Right back! Woo! In your face!
You know, it'd just be great if you let him dress for a game this season.
광고주는 보비의 아버지였습니다. 그리고 아들을 1군 팀에 합류시켜달라고 부탁하는데 BMS 운영만큼은 진심인 마티이기 때문에 일단은 생각해보겠다며 어물쩍 넘어가죠.
Man, we need to be living like this. Coach making all this money off of us and we ain't getting nothing. Man, I want some butlers.
Well, how can you guys be complaining right now? This is perfect. And if you want nice stuff, that's easy. You just get an agent.
아직 프로가 되기 전인 그들은 에이전트와 계약을 하지 못합니다. 하지만 프로가 된 후 계약을 하기로 미리 서면으로 약속하고 원하는 것이나 돈을 받는 불법 행위가 번번이 이루어지고 있습니다. 그래서 알렉스는 자신이 세미와 이름을 바꿔 에이전트를 만나면 라돈에게 피해가 가지 않을 거라며 얼토당토 않는 계획을 세웁니다.
Wait, hold on. What's in it for you?
I'm just looking out for my quarterback. And if I happen to get a new car at the end of the day, then so be it.
에이전트를 만납니다. 그리고 라돈의 요구 사항을 전해주죠.
And this is a list of his initial requests.
Great. That's great. They're all doable. Of course, I'm gonna need something in writing first.
Mr. Levy, don't insult us, okay?
Look, we've got guys lining up to get in with Radon, and if you're not willing to play ball, there are plenty of other agents who are just waiting for the chance.
I'm not in the business to lose money. I'm in the business to make money, and you tell them that for me.
Now, if you will excuse us, our 12:30 is here.
한편 아버지 때문에 기가 사른 보비.
Boom! How do you like them apples, bitch?
Yeah! Nice hit, Bodie!
마티는 주제 넘은 행동에 화를 냅니다.
Hey, listen, your job is to get the shit kicked out of you every day. You hit my starting quarterback like that again, I'll kick the shit out of you. Do you understand me?
Coach, I'm 5 foot nothing, and I weigh 100 and nothing. And I am out there day after day competing with the best football team in the nation. That deserves more respect. Oh, and if you touch me again, my dad'll sue you.
그때 테디는 라돈의 손목시계를 발견합니다.
Why are you wearing two watches?
Cuz, man, one's for Paris and one's for New York.
Marin, I want in on this. My agent sucks.
I'm not taking new clients at this time.
He knows the time in Paris. Hook your captain up.
Fine. I'll do it, but you have to open my beers for the rest of the season.
Deal.
Bodie! Bodie! Bodie!
Bodie! Bodie! Bodie! That's my boy!
I hate that kid.
보비는 마티를 흉내냅니다.
And then when we got him on the run, we're not gonna stop. They can't lick us. What do you say, man?
Everybody hates you!
이때 평소보다 늘어난 테드의 시계.
Moran got me these. I'm doing Paris, New York, and Boston.
Need to get you one of these.
Is that gold?
Yeah, there's no better feeling than gold rubbing against your balls. I've been saying that for years.
Moran, I'm gonna need one of those. But way bigger!
It's funny because I don't have a beer in my hand.
I got one. Here you go. There you go.
그런데 무슨 일인지 에이전트가 알렉스를 빼고 세미와 만남을 가지고
Just me and you, sport. Can we get this guy a cupcake?
그들은 세미를 이용해 계약을 진행하려 합니다.
I mean, in a few years, Alex and all of your football buddies, you're all going to be pro athlete millionaires. You got to start thinking about where that leaves you.
Yeah. Well, Alex isn't going pro. He wants to be a gym teacher.
A gym teacher. Trust me, Skippy. When that $1 million contract is staring Alex in the face, he's going pro. And you are going to be left in the rearview mirror. See, guys like us, we got to make our money when we can. You stick with me, and in 4 years, you could be living in a house made of gold.
Do they even make those?
Shit, yeah, if you're rich enough. But what I need from you first are written promises from Thad and Radon. You get me those promises, and I'll get you anything you want.
Anything that I want?
문제는 세미가 이것을 한두 명에 그치지 않고 수많은 에이전트를 만나 다중 계약을 합니다. 그로 인해 세미도 큰 돈을 만지고 그들의 파티장엔 유명 록밴드가 공연을 올 정도로 화려한 삶을 살게 되죠.
How you doing, huh? You see that Mustang outside? It's yours, all right? Consider it an early birthday present, all right?
세미는 에이전트 일을 자신에게 맡기라고 말합니다.
You got a pro career to worry about. You don't need this.
Wait, you went to the diner without me?
And a couple cupcakes. It doesn't matter. What matters is I'm running the operation now, all right? Everyone's happy. Everyone's making money. But you're still out, okay?
Hey, we need to talk about some tanner bears, man.
Take your goddamn hands off my shoulder. I'm talking to somebody here.
All right, you got it, man. You the man.
시장을 완전히 독점한 세미. 그의 권력은 마티와 맞먹을 정도였죠. 다음 날.
You see how the eye back goes in motion? They always come back.
Marty, we need to talk.
No, we don't.
Bodie's dressing on Saturday, or we're going to the media.
Yeah, either I'm dressing or I'm singing. It's your choice.
Singing about what?
Your players have been taking illegal gifts from this gentleman.
광고주는 BMS의 약점을 잡고 보비를 1군 팀에 합류시키지 않으면 모든 것을 신고하겠다고 말합니다.
So, what's it gonna be, Coach? Be ashamed to see you stripped of all those wins and titles.
That's great, great. Oh, and when Thad and Radon become eligible, you will deliver them to me.
Get the hell out of my locker room.
Oh, I'm dressing, Coach.
Get the hell out of here, all of you.
서류를 살펴봅니다. 그런데
Who the hell is Sammy Cacciatore?
Well, look who woke up.
Where am I?
You're in the lion's den, my friend.
알렉스를 불러오는 마티. 알렉스는 모든 것을 사실대로 말했죠.
Sammy, did Dad and Radon sign papers saying they'd go with agents?
Only like 6 or 7. I kept it small.
Damn it, Sammy.
It's paper and ink. Don't mean nothing.
Listen to me, you little shit. I spent 20 years building this team, and I'm not gonna lose it because of some cheap punk like you.
Cheap punks don't wear $50,000 watches, old man.
I mean, is that necessary?
Shut up.
마티는 기자들을 불러 모든 죄를 둘에게 넘기고 경찰에 신고하겠다고 말합니다.
And what I know is that you two are solely responsible for this. Now you're gonna hand in your uniforms, apologize, and that's gonna be the end of this.
Sammy, why'd you do it? We had such a good thing going. Why?
The power, Alex. The power. And the little motorcycle, too.
이때 좋은 생각이 떠오른 알렉스. 친구들을 찾아가 도움을 요청합니다.
Now, I have a plan. It might require you guys having to give up some of your stuff.
No, absolutely not. Look, if I go down, all this stuff goes away anyway. So if we do it my way, then
Maybe you might be able to keep the fur coats.
테드는 마티를 찾아갑니다. 그리고
Coach, I want Bodie to dress in my place for the game on Saturday.
Don't be ridiculous. Hey, you're the team captain. Act like it.
I believe I am, Coach.
Me too, Coach. I want Bodie to dress in my place.
Oh, you do? What's wrong with you? Hey, are you freaking kidding me?
모두가 한마음이 되어 보비를 1군에 합류시켜달라고 부탁합니다.
What's going on here?
Coach, just hear me out.
Here you go.
I'm dressing Saturday?
Not only that, but you're starting.
I love you, Dad. I love you so much.
보비가 1군에 정식으로 합류하자 마티는 기자회견을 열고 모든 범죄를 사실대로 말합니다.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, thank you for coming here today. It's come to my attention that the BMS football program has committed major NCAA rule violations. Now, these violations are in no way, shape, or form unique to our program. They happen at almost all major schools every year, but they are serious nonetheless. And once I was made aware that were happening under my roof, I immediately launched an internal investigation. During which, we discovered we had a student athlete who was receiving improper payments and benefits from a large number of predatory agents.
보비의 방에 모든 물건을 옮기고 사실 에이전트 사기를 친 1군 선수는 보비라고 말하는데 여러분의 머릿속에 물음표가 뜨는 걸 잘 알지만 이 작품은 개연성으로 보는 게 아닙니다. 웃기고 재밌었으면 그냥 그러려니 하고 넘어가면 됩니다.
Thank you. And go Goats.
One, two, three.
You really almost screwed us back there. You know that, right?
Yeah. Thanks for the rescue.
세미는 알렉스에게 고마워합니다. 그동안 얻은 것을 잃어버려 아쉬운 세미. 그런데 한 가지 남은 것이 있었습니다.
My God, how'd you get to keep it?
I put it in my father's name.
Why didn't I think of that?
Who's your father's an asshole? He wouldn't let you.
That's true. Father is an asshole.
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah?
Yeah.
고트하우스는 오늘도 파티가 열립니다.
Hey, whose phone is that? Hey, put the music on it.
벨 소리가 울리는데 어디서 울리는지 모르겠습니다.
Coming from in here.
What's up? You've reached the goat house. We can't make it to the phone right now because we're probably partying super hard.
Nope. Not the phrase here.
Check the refrigerator.
ASAP, BMS, party on.
What the hell is it? It's an answering machine.
Hey, it's me. This is awkward, but I'm pregnant. So we need to figure this out. I'm keeping it, and I have expectations. Call me back.
테드는 이것이 수작이라고 말합니다.
This woman, whoever she is obviously trying to trap me. She knows I'll be making billions next year when I go pro, and she's just looking to cash in.
Man, whatever, man. That message was for me. Every successful athlete got a baby mama. Sean Kemp, baby mama. Holyfield, baby mama. Hell, even Tom Brady got a baby mama. Man, that baby my destiny.
She called the goat house. I live there. You don't.
그리고 BMS 선수들은 서로가 자신의 애일 거라며 은근히 기대하고
Okay, here's a list of all the salutes I've boned in the last 9 months. Now I've run out of chalk, so let's start by seeking out the girls in the vengeful category.
모두가 만났던 여자를 찾아보려 합니다.
I'm gonna make a great father. A lot of people don't know this, but I'm a great listener.
전 여친을 찾아가는 테드.
My name is Thad Castle. We boned recently, and I want to make sure you're not pregnant. Read this aloud, por favor.
Hey, it's me. This is awkward, but I'm pregnant.
알렉스도 예전에 만났던 여성을 찾아갑니다.
Hi!
Alex.
Darlene? I was in the area, and I just wanted to stop by and say hello.
Hello.
You aren't pregnant by any chance, are you?
No.
That's good. That's a good sign. Can I come in, maybe? Yeah. Just out of the shower, huh?
그렇게 모두가 수백 명의 여성을 다시 찾아가 보지만 임신을 한 여성은 보이지 않았죠. 그때
Alex.
Jill.
Hey, what's going on?
잠시 뒤 정신을 차리는 알렉스.
Oh my God.
Relax. It's not yours.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I met a guy in New York.
and we're in love.
Oh, you're in love, huh? What's that like?
It's pretty fun, actually.
It's good. Is he home?
I'm not sleeping with you.
What? No, I wanted to meet him.
Although I am absolutely flattered that I made it into your top 50.
I thought you were higher on that list.
A victory lap in the fall of your sophomore year. That's ballsy. Pretty ballsy.
Thanks.
Yeah.
알렉스는 전 여친들을 만나는 사연을 말해줍니다. 그런데 실은 핸드폰이 아닌 고트하우스 전화기로 연락이 온 것에 의문을 품습니다.
The goat house has a phone?
Yeah.
Like a landline?
I know, right?
Who would have that number?
Old cheerleaders, booster girls, prostitutes. You know.
Shit. I know who it is. Thank you. I love you.
고트하우스로 돌아갑니다.
I've got it. I know who it is. I can't believe I didn't recognize her voice before.
다시 메시지를 들어보는 알렉스.
Hey, it's me. This is awkward, but I'm pregnant.
Think about it. She called the Goat House landline. Who's old enough to have that number? I'll give you a hint. We've all had sex with her within the past 9 months.
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah.
네, 전화를 건 상대는 BMS의 요정 쿠거입니다.
What took you so long?
쿠거는 BMS의 모든 선수들과 잠자리를 했습니다.
Well, can't be mine, right?
Harmon, you can't get pregnant in the butt.
Just double checking. See you later, suckers.
All right, bro.
그래서 누구의인지 알아볼 방법은 하나뿐이었죠.
Well, it's only one way to settle this. Paternity test.
모두가 DNA 검사를 합니다. 그런데 아기를 좋아하는 라도는 자신의 애가 아니어도 친자식처럼 대할 거라고 말합니다.
Hey, I don't care whose baby this is. I'm raising it like it's my own, even if you don't want me to.
And I want you all to know, I love you guys.
갑자기 마티도 나타나 이 감동스러운 다짐을 축하해주며 서로가 부응을 합니다. 그때
We need to talk.
Cougar, you're gonna be our MILF. And we're gonna raise this baby as our own, together. At the Goat House.
No. I'm gonna raise this baby. Alone. I thought about it and I don't want to know who the father is. My BMS boys need to keep their minds focused on what they're good at.
Congratulations, Marty Daniels.
Make that 101 sons, coach. Right?
Miss Cacciatore, your guidance counselor here informs me that you entered my university 2 months ago on a full academic scholarship and are now in danger of flunking out.
My guidance counselor's a dick.
You're pre-med, yet you haven't attended a single lab.
Who are you again?
I'm your dean!
Oh, yeah.
올해는 메리처럼 유능한 학생이 BMS 선수들과 어울리는 게 마음에 들지 않았습니다.
You know, I think you need a little reminder of what this university is really about.
학교 홍보 비디오를 틀어주는 워렌.
Deep within the mountains of blue, there's a university that's perfect for you, where education is priority one. Get a major in knowledge while you're minoring in fun.
BMS, BMS, who is BMS?
I am BMS. I am BMS.
BMS, BMS, who is BMS?
We are BMS.
I am BMS.
Hi, I'm Dean Simon. Enroll now and score a touchdown in education.
BMS, BMS, you are BMS.
God, that was good. I guess what I'm saying, Miss Cacciatore, is that the time has come to step up or Miss Cacciatore!
I just have to pee real quick.
이때 누군가 알렉스를 찾아옵니다.
Homework delivery for Alex Moran.
What'd you say, glasses? I'm having trouble hearing you through those thick glasses. Glasses?
Whoa, come on, hey. Thanks, Gary. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Learn something.
운동부 학생들에게는 각자 숙제를 해주는 너드들이 있습니다. 그리고 운동부는 그 대가로 여자를 소개해주죠. 하지만 동족 혐오인지 이상하게 세미는 너드만 보면 으르렁거립니다.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with me? Yeah. That nerd's a nerd, man. Jocks like us don't talk to nerds. We prank them.
Sammy, you're not a jock.
Good one, I'm not a jock. Who's pranking who now?
학장은 BMS를 찾아와 선포합니다.
I am pleased to announce that this year your combined team GPA is the highest in BMS football history.
What's a GPA?
Who are you?
I am your dean.
그는 얼마 전 알렉스가 제출한 논문이 큰 화제가 되었다고 말합니다.
Your paper, Superman's Brother, an expanded theory of reality, is lighting up the academic community.
Cool.
Tell me, with all of your practices, where did you find the time to write such a sophisticated piece of work?
며칠 뒤 학교에서 세미나가 열리는데 그때 학교를 대표해 발표를 하라는 워렌.
You are going to be giving a presentation on this paper. You did write the paper, correct? I mean, I'd hate to find out otherwise.
Yeah, I accept your proposal and I'll do your presentation.
Great!
알렉스는 이 사실을 담당 너드에게 말하고
Oh, you know the paper you wrote called Superman's Brother? Being published. No way!
너드는 자신이 대본을 만들어주겠다며 걱정하지 말라고 말합니다. 하지만 너드를 향한 혐오감을 불태우는 세미.
Nerds and jocks hanging out together? It's disgusting. It's gross.
You do realize you're the biggest nerd of this entire party, right?
라도는 너드들과 매우 잘 지냅니다. 운동신경이 좋을 뿐 사실 라도는 너드들과 닮은 취미가 꽤 많았죠.
Labels, man. People calling you a nerd. People calling me the greatest quarterback that ever lived on the face of the planet on the earth. We just people, man. And when we die and come back, we come back as whatever we want. I'ma come back as a red Ferrari.
I don't feel good.
Go take a nap. Any bed you want, it's all good.
술에 취해 잠시 침대에 눕는 너드.
Waterbed.
그런데 세미가 나타납니다.
Best prank ever. You're gonna be so wet.
잠시 뒤 테디의 방은 범죄 현장이 됩니다.
Ah! Oh my God! My waterbed! My friend!
My nerve! Man, somebody drowned my nerve!
다행히 너드는 죽지 않았습니다.
There's no permanent damage, but there's no telling how long the coma will last.
하지만 동료가 공격받은 것에 큰 배신감을 느낀 너드 크루.
We are very truly sorry for your loss. We know that you're hurting right now. So please feel free to take one bonus day off of our homework. But still due this week though, so if...
Which one of you Neanderthals did this?
Hey, we're all hurting right now. I mean, look at me. I have to sleep in Larry's waterbed until mine gets fixed. There's pain everywhere.
That's it. I'm sick of us being treated as second-class citizens. We will never do your homework ever again.
What?
I don't care how much it almost gets us laid. Nerds, make it so.
너드들은 숙제를 거부하고 곧 발표를 앞둔 알렉스는 발등에 불이 떨어지게 됩니다. 하지만 알렉스만 곤란한 게 아닙니다.
So what do we do now? I've got heuristics homework due. I don't even know what heuristics is.
We'll just get some new nerds. You know how many go to this school? Literally billions.
그때 야구부가 찾아옵니다. 그리고 미식 축구부 때문에 자신들의 너드도 파업을 한 걸 알려주죠.
Baseball team's nerds stop doing homework too, bro?
It's campus wide, bro. Every nerd on this campus is on strike. Bro.
This is way more serious than I thought. I'm calling a meeting of the BMS captains! Captains of BMS, you are all aware of the current nerd crisis. If this isn't resolved immediately, we might all be doing our homework. I'd like to open the floor to any solutions you may have.
Lucy Williams, volleyball. I was told this meeting was for sports captains, so why is golf here?
Hey, golf is a sport.
It's a hobby.
It's not a sport.
Guys! The nerd crisis!
그때 세미가 나타납니다.
Who the hell are you, bro?
I'm the jock who put that nerd in a coma. That's who I am, tough guy.
That was you?
Yep.
세미는 너드들을 향한 분노를 표출하며
Why? Because screw them. That's why.
협상이 아닌 전쟁을 하자고 말합니다. 너드를 호출합니다.
You guys want to see us?
Right on.
What are you wearing?
Solidarity, brother. Solidarity.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to say I think this has been hard on all of us, especially me. But I think that we have an offer that everyone will be happy with.
Prepare to be pranked, nerds.
He's the one you want. He's the one that put your nerd in a coma.
What? You?
Take him. He's yours. We'll leave the homework here and bid you a fond adieu.
Hey! You can't do this, you traitors! You can't do this! I'll put you in a coma! I'll put you all in comas!
그런데 너드들은 세미에게 복수하지 않습니다.
What is this? Aren't you nerds gonna get revenge on me or something?
You're one of us, Sammy. And nerds don't hurt other nerds.
Stop saying that. I'm not a nerd.
Yes, you are. Look at you. You're small as shit.
자신은 절대 너드가 아니라는 세미. 하지만
You rarely get laid. You do your own homework. You're unconcerned with your personal hygiene.
Yeah, man. Look at the way you dress. You ain't got no style. And the BMS captain sold you out.
Oh my god. I'm a nerd.
Hey, Nerdville is not that bad. It's okay.
자신의 정체성을 이제야 깨닫고 운동부를 향한 복수의 칼날을 갈기 시작합니다. 한편 마티가 워렌을 찾아옵니다.
So what the hell's going on? 3 of my players show up late for practice today. You know why? Because they're doing homework.
They're students first, Marty.
We had an unspoken agreement. And all I ask you to do is just look the other way when it comes to the grades they get.
Jock assholes like you have ruled the roost for far too long. Do you know how many papers I wrote in college that I never received credit for?
I get it now. This whole homework boycott. You put them up to it.
네, 이 모든 사태는 학창 시절 복수를 위해 꾸민 워렌의 계획이었습니다.
That balance has existed for decades for a reason. Nerd.
All good things must come to an end. Jock. Now get out of my office.
세미나가 시작됩니다. 그리고 너드는 웨이터로 분장해 알렉스의 발표가 시작되면 어떤 테러를 벌일 계획을 세웁니다.
Now, being a dean is like being a gardener who grows flowers of enlightenment. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Alex Moran.
알렉스가 단상에 오르며 계획을 실행합니다.
Since the beginning of time, the nerd has been oppressed by the jock. That ends today. And I want you to look deep into the face of the nerd who's gonna do it.
It's our homework.
결국 운동부는 너드와 화해를 하고 그들은 서로가 원하는 걸 들어주며 다시 평화로운 예전으로 돌아갑니다.
Wow. Everything really worked out for everyone, didn't it?
Yeah.
That game you played out there today was perfect! Those pussies wanted nothing to do with you. Nothing! You played like a family. You played like brothers.
I've never had a brother, Coach.
Well, Thad, today you have a locker room full of brothers.
Hey, Coach, can I say something to the team?
Right on, the way you played today, you can say anything you want. Come on out here.
Thanks, man.
라던은 오늘 자신의 토크쇼가 방영된다며 홍보를 합니다.
People call in with questions and I answer them in an inspirational way. Weeknights, 10 p.m. Dreams. Radon Randale. Be there.
그때 워렌과 데브라가 마티를 찾아오고 아직 마티에게 받을 위자료가 있다며 괜히 협박을 합니다.
I see what's going on with you two. I'm winning, and it pisses you off. Because it makes it impossible for you to get rid of me.
What do you think about Mexico for a nice vacation with the money?
I love it.
Oh, I love you.
I love you more than you do.
Don't forget to drink the water.
잠시 뒤 돌아가는 데브라를 처음 보게 된 알렉스. 사랑에 빠져 버립니다.
Like bang the Dean's wife, though.
Now, see, that's a fantastic dream. Call in my show and I'll see if I can't make that happen.
No, I'll just handle that on my own.
Bro? Hey, do you think now that we're bros, that makes me half black?
You're the mustard, I'm the relish.
요즘 치어리더들은 한 남성의 노래에 푹 빠져 있습니다.
Okay, ladies, all right, let's go. It's time to get back to practice. Let's go. Whoa, Hong Kong.
이때 세미가 나타나지만 정신이 팔려버린 메리.
La 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 la.
Okay, thank you, buddy. Good day. Take it easy, pal. Goodbye. See you never. Adios.
메리도 사랑에 빠져버립니다.
He's so sensitive.
Hello, I'm right here.
And skinny.
알렉스는 데브라에게 바로 들이댑니다.
Wait, you don't happen to be Dean Simon's wife?
Cut the bullshit.
Okay. I want to take you to a party tonight. I think it'd be fun.
How high are you?
Not high. Why, you want to get high? We can get high.
Yeah, I think I'll pass. Have fun sitting on a bench this season.
Okay, but you change your mind. I mean, it's tonight. The Goat House. Bring your friends.
라돈의 토크쇼가 시작됩니다.
Hello, caller. Dreams! Oh, hello. I'm Radon Randale. You're watching Dreams.
이때 누가 들어도 메리인 게 티가 나는 시청자가 전화합니다.
Hey, my name is Sister.
What's up, sister?
Well, my brother and I have a special relationship. He grabs my boobs in public and hawks them.
Oh, what?
메리는 오빠의 장난스러운 인사가 어릴 때는 괜찮았지만 요즘 다른 남자 앞에서 하는 게 부끄럽다고 말합니다.
Wait, you said this is your brother we're talking about, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, well, hey, you gotta live your dreams. And if your dreams tell you that you want to meet guys, then you gotta stop fake banging your brother at parties and meet guys. Love, inspiration, dreams.
메리는 또 노래에 빠져 있습니다.
What's with the breathless wonder? Dude, that guy pulls serious beef. He sang me a song the other day about girls' freckles. I was bawling my eyes out.
이때 세미가 나타나 인사를 하는데 메리는 라돈의 충고대로 세미에게 싫은 티를 내죠.
What's going on? You always laugh when I fake blow you.
What? No, I don't.
Because of him?
Hey, man, I'm Dan.
Hey, you want to know my name? Yeah. It's Stay Away From My Sister. Bang it.
잠시 뒤 파티에 놀라운 사람이 나타납니다.
Alex!
Deborah, you made it! And Marilyn?
술에 취해 모습을 드러낸 그녀는 알렉스를 방으로 데려갑니다. 그리고 다음 날
Hi, Thad.
그녀가 누구인지 잘 아는 테드는 알렉스에게 사실을 말해줍니다.
Morning, Captain!
Do you know who that was?
Yeah, it's Dean's wife.
Bro, she's not just the Dean's wife. She's Coach's ex-wife. Bro.
코치가 알면 축구팀에서 잘릴 것이 분명한 알렉스.
Bro, I gotta tell.
No, Dad.
Bro.
Dad, you don't have to tell Coach.
I gotta tell him.
No.
Bro code.
We're brothers, right? I mean, bros don't tell on other bros.
You don't have to tell me about the bro code. I I pretty much invented it. Secret safe with me.
비밀은 지키겠다고 하지만 알렉스는 온통 걱정뿐이었고 세미는 어색해진 동생과의 사이를 알렉스에게 털어놓죠.
Why were you honking her boobs?
That's our thing. We've been doing it since we were little kids. And that prick Dando comes along.
Look, the thing about guys like Dando is that the power is in their guitar. You get the guitar out of his hands, I guarantee you Mary Jo will lose interest.
Hey, coffee break's over. Get in there, now.
Wow, he looks pissed.
I know. Shit, I'll talk to you later, all right?
찔리는 게 있어 마티가 불편하기만 한 알렉스.
Bro, does Coach know? Bro, if he found out, he'd machete your ass. Deborah and him divorced 5 years ago. I heard it was a bloodbath. That year, a player mysteriously lost his scholarship when Coach overheard him mention that Deborah had killer titties, bro. He can never find out. Shit! What was that all about, bro? Can't say. Bro code. Okay, so a bro of mine, I can't say who, but somebody's screwing somebody's ex-wife. But that's all I can say. That's it.
Well, which bro is your bro? The bro doing the banging or the bro with the ex-wife?
I guess they're both my bros?
Sounds like you got yourself a moral dilemma, bro.
고민에 빠진 테드, 라돈에게 연락합니다.
Hello, caller. Dreams! Hello there. I'm Radon Randall, and you're watching Dreams. Hello, caller. How can I make your dream come true?
테드는 자신의 고민을 말합니다. 비밀을 지켜야 할지, 사실을 말해줘야 할지.
Okay, now, the bro code, that can be complex. Hold on, I'm gonna break it down for you. Now, first of all, if you run into a sticky situation with two bros, then you have to be most loyal to the one that can do the most damage to you. All right? Love, inspiration, dreams.
알렉스는 방으로 돌아옵니다. 그런데
There's my sexy little quarterback.
Holy shit. Look, I had a lot of fun the other night, but I had no idea that you were the coach's ex-wife, and if he finds out, you'll kill me.
Him finding out is a risk you're gonna have to take. Don't you like taking risks?
결국 데브라를 거절하지 못하는 알렉스.
Hey, bro. Coach wants to see you in his office.
About what?
I want to tell you, but I can't. Bro code.
네, 테드는 모든 것을 사실대로 말했습니다.
Did you hump my wife?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna ask again, only this time louder. Did you hump my wife?
Oh, technically she's not your wife. Oh, okay, look, it was nothing. It was only like her.
Gee, wonder what's going on in there.
마티는 계속 데브라를 만나라고 말합니다.
So, you're gonna keep humping Deborah. And the next time you're in bed with her, you're gonna whisper the name Ernesio.
Ernesio?
늦은 밤, 락커룸에서 데브라를 만납니다. 그리고 마티가 시킨 대로 하는 알렉스.
Ernesio.
What did you say?
Ernesio? Am I pronouncing it right? Oh, God!
You stupid shit.
다음 날, 눈이 시퍼래진 알렉스를 발견합니다.
So, I see you did what I asked you to. Tell me, what did her face look like when you mentioned Ernesio?
She's pretty angry, Coach. Then she told me to tell you Michelle Branch says hi.
That bitch!
마티는 흥분하며 자신이 아는 호텔 277호를 예약하고 거기서 데브라를 만나라고 말합니다.
Then I've arranged for a surprise visitor that's gonna blow up in her face. We'll see who's laughing then.
Wait. Coach? Please don't tell me you're calling the dean.
선수에서 잘리는 게 가장 싫기에 어쩔 수 없이 시키는 대로 하는 알렉스. 그런데
Coach?
You son of a bitch!
Oh,
What are you doing here?
깜짝 손님은 마티였고 둘은 추억의 데이트 장소에서 뜨거운 키스를 합니다.
Look, I got a question. Who's Ernesio?
It's the name of my dick.
Okay, so Michelle Branch is.
Okay, cool. Have fun, guys. Be safe.
테드의 부진에도 BMS는 어렵게 무패를 이어갑니다.
Where the hell was your head today? You missed calls, you missed tackles. You almost blew the game for us.
Got a lot on my mind, coach.
Like what?
I'm thinking about leaving BMS a year early to go pro.
대학 리그를 떠나 프로로 가는 걸 고민 중이라는 테드. 큰일입니다.
Well, that's a tough choice. To stay with the people who groomed and nurtured you, or to abandon them for a bunch of superficial money. Look, I want to show you something.
마틴은 테드를 처음 주장으로 뽑을 때 찍었던 사진을 보여주며 테드가 프로에 가서도 이 시절의 초심을 잃지 않으면 성공할 거라며 그의 앞길을 응원해 줍니다.
Well, I always thought of you as the son I wish I had. Now, I don't want that to influence your decision at all.
It won't, Dad.
Please don't call me Dad.
그리고 테드는 생각이 필요해 파티를 취소시키고 여자들을 모두 내쫓습니다.
I need time to reflect on my future. Whether or not to stay here another year at BMS or go pro.
Dude, that's an easy decision, man. Go pro. Make that dough. Now, where are the girls?
Agreed. Go. Why don't you go pro?
이때 인생의 갈림길에서 현명한 선택을 하기 위해 과거를 돌아보는 전통의식이 있는 걸 알게 됩니다.
It's a sacred tradition. Hell, even Jesus went on a vision quest. 40 days in the desert.
I don't have 40 days.
Of course you don't. That's what drugs are for. Somebody give my suitcase.
의식을 떠나는 데 필요한 버섯과 여러 가지 물건을 보여줍니다.
And then ayahuasca. Special blend of shrubs from the Venezuelan jungle. This shit won't just open the door. It'll blow the goddamn hinges off.
바로 병째로 들이켜는 테드.
What did you just do?
What?
That was enough drugs to last all of us the rest of the week.
I got a lot to think about.
Okay, we have to leave.
I want to see what happens.
No, you don't. We gotta lock all the doors and the windows and back up everything that could be traced back to him. Really? Now, come on.
잠시 뒤 약 기운이 올라옵니다.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Hello? Anyone there?
Shit! Shit! I'm late for the party.
I canceled the party.
Not that party, you idiot! The real party in the woods.
Who are you?
I'm the spirit of BMS! Ooh, ooh!
BMS의 정령은 여정을 떠나는 데 필요한 아이템을 줍니다.
Okay, take it. Take it easy. I gotta get out of here. See you later.
Loop? What's this for?
진실의 답이란 곳에 정답이 있을 거라는 정령.
Wait! How do I get to the tower? Do I go this way?
숲은 무서웠습니다. 정체를 알 수 없는 중국인과 반가운 얼굴도 있었죠.
Radon? Oh, thank God. There's a Chinese guy in the woods. He's been eyeballing
Shut up
me.
and listen. Radon the Incomparable has spoken. There's something that I need to show you.
What is it?
라도는 프로를 선택한 테드의 미래를 보여줍니다.
No, you get on my way, dick face. No, you get on my way, dick face. No, you get on my way, dick face. No, you get on my way, dick face.
Both of you shut your dick faces up! Daddy's watching TV!
멋진 펜트하우스의 아름다운 아내.
In other news, Thad Castle signed a record-breaking deal today for $10 billion. A pro football record. It's a good thing he left BMS a year early to go pro.
테디의 미래는 성공한 삶이었죠.
I'm gonna marry Stacy Keebler?
Yup. But you have to go pro. It's your destiny. There's gonna be people that try and stop you. Don't trust anyone.
How do I know I can trust you?
Oh, you just have to trust me.
Fair enough.
Here. Take this with you.
라돈에게도 아이템을 받고 여정을 계속합니다.
Mojito?
My fave!
Would you like a massage?
Shit, yeah.
Is this what the lube is for?
It is now.
그리고 BMS를 선택하는 미래를 보게 됩니다.
You don't want to leave us. It's safe here. Now go to sleep, little boy, and dream about a world with no pain.
Lube's gone. Must have been a good night.
이때 거울에 비친 테디의 모습.
Where is my life gone? Old, I've accomplished nothing.
테디는 과거로부터 도망칩니다. 그리고 이번엔 어릴 적 기억에 도착하는데
My 10th birthday party.
These presents are crap. You A-wipes should learn how to shop.
그날의 인생의 전환점이 되는 순간이었죠.
You didn't mess it up this time, Grandma. I love you.
God, I was such an adorable kid.
You still are.
Dad?
돌아가신 테디의 아빠. 테디에게 아빠는 인생의 롤모델이자 등불입니다.
I've missed you so much. And don't worry, I've kept Oksana safe.
That's good. A brother must take care of his sister.
Oksana's not my sister. Oksana's my pocket pussy. It used to be yours.
What the hell is a pocket pussy?
You're not my dad.
Good to see you, son.
마티를 피해 도망치는 테드.
You think you can leave me? I made you. Nobody leaves me. You're staying at BMS forever.
그의 소나기를 벗어나야 프로에 갈 수 있습니다. 진실의 탑입니다. 그런데 문 손잡이가 돌아가는 게 아니라 여는 법을 모르는 테드. 본능적으로 손잡이 앞에 무릎을 꿇습니다. 그때
What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to open the door.
Use the pocket, pussy.
It's too dry. It's too dry!
Shit, bro. I don't know.
The lube! Oh shit, it's almost gone. Come on.
There he is.
Hello? Hello?
동료들이 모습을 드러냅니다. 그리고 자신의 본신과 마주하게 되는 테드.
Hello, Thad. Oh, man. Now I'm more confused than I was before I started. Are you, Thad? Look back on your journey and all that you've been through and all that you've seen. What was the only true moment? That jersey was the greatest present I ever got.
네, 테디의 인생을 돌아봤을 때 BMS의 유니폼을 처음 얻은 그날보다 행복한 날은 없었습니다.
No one can predict the future. Listen to your heart. What is it telling you? Two doors, two futures. The choice is yours.
drugs should have worn off by now. Should be fine. Or very, very dead.
Dad?
Help me!
친구들은 테드를 구해줍니다. 그리고 테드는 자신의 여정에서 있었던 얘기를 해주죠.
At least one of us got to party, so what did you decide?
Yeah, man, you going pro, right?
No, you're staying another year, right?
Well, I really thought about this hard from every side. But ultimately, I realized BMS means everything to me.
Man!
But then I remembered that I get to marry Stacy Keebler if I go pro, so I'm going pro.
Yes!
Yeah.
네, 아름다운 부인과 돈 앞에서는 꿈이니 의리니 그딴 거 없습니다.
Good luck in the tornado next year. A-holes.
All right, we're all excited here, Booms, because joining us in studio right now, two of the guys that played for Blue Mountain State, my main man Thad Castle and Radon Randall. Rivalry weekend.
라이벌 오버랜드 대학과의 경기를 앞두고 팟캐스트에 출연한 테드와 라돈.
Listen, Thad, last year your defense got ripped at the end of the year. You guys were thoroughly embarrassed in the Cypress Bowl. What's different this year?
I feel I've really matured as a leader, Boomer.
It's me. I'm the difference. I wasn't quarterback last year. I'm quarterback this year. End quote.
전화 사연을 받습니다. 그리고 오버랜드 학생이 연결됩니다.
Yeah, I'm a student at Overland, and yesterday our mascot, Landy the Badger, was stolen. Do these guys know anything about that?
Hey, caller, try this one on for size.
테드는 자신들은 오버랜드처럼 양아치 짓은 절대로 하지 않는다고 말합니다.
I didn't steal any Badger, but if someone did, I would say that shows pretty strong team leadership skills.
Man, what's wrong with you weirdos stealing animals? Animals don't play the game. Look, if you want to steal something, steal my arm. You see this right here? This is what's killing y'all. Y'all need to steal this.
자신의 팔에 현상금을 거는 라돈.
Look, I give $1,000 to any Overland fan that can come steal my arm.
이때 캠퍼스에서는 라이벌전을 앞두고 야외 파티가 열립니다.
Why is the goat here again?
I'm not letting him out of my sights this year, Alex. Overland killed Billy one last year. I'm not letting it happen again.
I thought you killed Billy one last year.
Tomatoes, potatoes, bro.
그리고 시합을 앞둔 하루 전.
Isn't this bounty thing just a little dangerous, coach? I mean, if he goes down, then I gotta start.
오버랜드 학생들이 나타나기 시작합니다.
Overland!
Shit.
On your attack! Protect the goat!
Yeah, that's gonna protect him, all right.
You want these Benjamins? Huh? You want this arm? Not today, bitch!
끌려가는 학생.
You stole our badger! You stole our badger!
마틴은 중요한 시합을 앞두고 라돈에게 무슨 일이 생길지도 모르니 자신의 집으로 라돈을 데려갑니다.
Sorry, coach. I mean, we got a game tomorrow, and I got pre-rituals I got to attend to.
That wasn't a suggestion.
그리고 테드는 선수들을 모아놓고
Those douchebags at Overland think the game begins tomorrow, but it begins tonight. Gentlemen, I give you the Overland Badger!
중요한 맹세를 합니다.
But what I am gonna do as team captain is remove and eat this Badger's balls.
네, 범인은 테드였습니다.
Maybe if you're lucky, I'll let one of you eat a ball with me. A future captain, perhaps.
Oh, yeah, this is great. Right, Captain Harmon?
Yeah, no, yeah.
오소리를 잡으려는 테드. 그런데 오소리는 테드가 감당 못할 만큼 사나웠습니다.
Harmon, you do it! Hell no, man. Somebody just get his balls out of him! Alex, somebody do something! Harmon, everybody's just looking at me right now and I need help!
손을 물리는 테드. 오소리를 놓칩니다.
It wasn't my fault. It was Moran. The smell of the hot dogs made him go crazy. You all saw it.
팀원들은 알아서 돌아갈 거라며 파티나 하자고 하지만 테드에게 중요한 건 오소리뿐입니다.
I made a promise to this team. Nobody wins until those Badgers' balls are in my mouth.
한편 라돈은 마티의 저택으로 여성들을 부르고
Hey, 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 Radon, absolutely not. It's not gonna happen in my house. No.
Hey, listen. I'm undefeated this season, coach, when I do my ritual. You won't want to start messing with that now, would you?
Who are these girls?
They're my chefs.
오소리는 캠퍼스를 돌아다닙니다.
I hear something.
There's no one here. Oh, hey, look at the cute little guy.
오소리가 학생들을 공격한다는 신고가 들어갑니다. 그리고 야외 파티는 그대로 취소되지만 테드는 오소리를 잡기 위해 팀원을 소집합니다.
Welcome to the hunt. The hunt? This is crazy. That thing just attacked 2 people.
걱정하지 말라며 겁먹은 알렉스를 위로해 줍니다. 그런데
What did you just do?
I thought it was the badger.
It's a goat. It looks nothing like a badger.
He's fine. He's just gonna sleep for a while.
캠퍼스로 향합니다.
Badgers are great climbers, so always look above you.
Can I just say one more time, this is a really bad idea?
He's been crawling for the past 3 blocks.
Why are we wearing bright orange? So other hunters don't shoot us.
불평을 쉬지 않는 팀원들. 그때
Shut up, did you hear that?
That was a test. Moran, you passed. Donnie Harmon, where are you going?
팀원들은 한심한 짓을 하며 돌아갑니다. 그리고 유일하게 남은 알렉스와 수색을 해보지만 오소리의 털조차 보이지 않습니다. 그때 좋은 생각이 떠오른 알렉스.
We've been going about this all wrong. What? The cops banned tailgating tonight. Why? I don't know. Because badgers are attracted to meat.
마틴은 행복한 시간을 보내고 있습니다.
15 seconds, coach.
Is that all? I felt like I was down there for an hour.
이 삶이 너무나 행복했던 마티.
You know, I'm a blessed man, Radon.
Oh, is that so?
Oh, yeah. I mean, look at this. Look at my house here. I own this.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, it is cool. Because it tells me that every day that I go to work, I get paid to do something I love. With people that I love. Not many people can say that.
평생 BMS의 감독으로 남고 싶습니다.
You know what? I love our team.
I mean, I love our team too, coach. Well, everybody except the captain.
마틴은 테디의 입장을 대변해 줍니다.
The thing about that is, all he does is care. He'd light his mother on fire if it would help us win a game. That's why he's the first sophomore that I ever named captain.
Well, I can't wait to be the second.
I love you, Radon, but you're not captain material. A captain has to be selfless, and you're a great athlete. But all you care about is yourself. Okay. I'm gonna go under for 30 seconds.
Okay. Can't wait to see that.
알렉스는 소시지를 구워보지만 오소리가 나타나지 않습니다. 그러자 상심에 빠지는 테드.
Are you okay? I'm a shitty captain. No, you're not. My team abandoned me.
주장을 위로하며 용기를 주는 알렉스.
We're gonna find that badger. And you're gonna eat his balls. And then you're gonna lead us right out onto that field tomorrow. Right, Captain? You really think so? Badger doesn't stand a chance.
한편 세미와 메리는 기절한 염소를 응급 조치합니다.
1, 2, 3.
I did it.
I did it!
Oh my God.
Yes, I did it!
I did it.
I did it!
I'm sorry.
Oh, you owe me so much! I did it!
전화기가 울리는 알렉스.
Hey, Mary Jo, what's up?
코트하우스로 달려갑니다.
Is that the goat?
What's left of him?
Oh, this is all my fault. The team is gonna hate me so much.
모든 게 자신의 탓이라며 자책합니다. 그런데 좋은 생각이 떠오릅니다.
Wait a second. We might be able to fix this.
Really?
Eat the ball! Eat the ball!
They look a little big to be badger balls. They look more like donkey balls, sheep balls.
Nope. This badger had big ass balls.
그때 마티가 나타납니다.
Just cooking up some badger balls, coach.
Badger balls, Radon. Now that's a captain.
자, 의식을 마무리할 차례입니다.
No,
Who's gonna eat this other Badger ball with me?
I'll eat the other ball. I'd be honored to.
Thank you, Radon. It's very nice of you. I now hereby award this Badger ball to Alex Moran.
Yeah! Eat the balls! Eat the balls!
Are you serious right now?
I'm begging you.
You owe me.
I know.
Eat the balls! Eat the balls! Eat the balls!
BMS는 연승을 거듭하고 우승을 향한 토너먼트의 마지막 결승을 앞두고 있습니다.
Hey Ricky, what's going on, buddy?
You ordered 20 pizzas from me last night and you passed out before I got here, Sammy.
그리고 밤새 이어지는 음주와 파티.
Blue 16!
이것은 경기력으로 이어집니다.
Is he sleeping? Smell like alcohol.
So what? It's just practice.
We're one day away from playing the best team in our conference. You show up to practice hungover?
테드는 우승을 위해 팀 전체에 금주령을 내립니다.
That's it. You're dry until after the game.
What?
In fact, this whole team is dry.
Man, this is no way, man.
하지만 듣는 척도 하지 않는 알렉스와 라돈.
Wow. Wow. Disobeying me right on my own front porch. No.
Come on, man. It's just alcohol.
Yeah. Plus, you get drunk all the time, too. And what's the point of winning if you can't enjoy it?
Exactly.
테드는 갑자기 마음을 바꿔 파티를 주최합니다.
Maybe I have been a little too hard on everybody. Maybe what we need is a huge party at the Goat House where everybody gets pounded.
Wait, that's great. I can order pizzas, and that way I can get everybody to chip in and get Ricky his money back.
Great. Okay, perfect. Hey, everybody. Huge alcohol party at the Goat House. Yeah!
그리고 늦은 밤.
Is everyone having a good time? Yeah! That's good. That's real good. Well, I hope your complete disregard for authority was worth it. Because now, this is happening.
BMS 선수들은 모두 경찰에 잡혀갑니다. 피자가 도착합니다. 또 외상을 해야 하는 세미.
Listen, man, I got $700 worth of pizza on the back of my van. And Mr. Bavuki, he's gonna fire me for sure.
그는 돈을 받을 방법이 있다며 자신을 도와달라고 말합니다.
That's not gonna happen, you hear me? There's gonna be another party here tonight, and I'm gonna get everyone to chip in for these pizzas. You got my word. Let's go inside. Come on, relax.
한편 테드는 동료들을 유치장으로 몰아넣은 이유를 말해줍니다.
Why you do this for, man? That was a great party.
Because you need to be taught a lesson. We are not going to win a title if one man thinks he's above the rest of the team.
하지만 알렉스는 테드의 말이 모순이라고 말하죠.
You got the entire team put in a drunk tank to teach one man a lesson.
It's called symbolicism. Listen up.
경찰은 과도한 음주로 선수들을 잡아왔다며 술이 깨기 전엔 아무도 못 나간다고 말합니다.
And no one is going to leave this room until they blow a .06 in this breathalyzer.
그때 똑같이 음주로 잡혀온 마티.
Of course, we will make that call for you, sir. Until then, you can keep your team company.
My team?
세미는 용기가 필요하다며 함께 보드카를 코로 마시고
1, 2, 3.
동료들을 탈출시키기 위해 차를 몰고 경찰서에 옵니다.
I'm going in, and you're staying here, okay? You're the getaway driver. All right.
Wait. If I'm the getaway driver, then why'd you make me snort vodka before we came? I mean, wouldn't I be more effective if I was sober?
Ricky, you had 2 snorts, bud, okay? There's one common denominator in every great plan. Spontaneity. Fix it up there. You look nice, all right? Wait for my signal. I'm gonna get you that money for those pizzas. And you know it, Ricky.
이때 동료들은 논쟁의 타켓이 테디에서 알렉스로 변합니다.
Let's talk about how you pretend to be this cool guy who doesn't give a shit about anything.
Yeah, but actually you care about everything. It's like you gotta be in control, man. Hold you back on the football field too. I seen it.
주전이 되기 싫어 분위기를 주도하는 알렉스야말로 팀의 암적인 존재라고 말하는데 알렉스는 논쟁을 하고 싶지 않아 지붕으로 도망칩니다.
No one's gonna go after him?
마틴은 데브라에게 연락합니다.
I thought we agreed last year and the year before that we weren't going to do this anymore.
이때 세미가 경찰서에 들어옵니다.
Hey! 6 times this month you've been in here. That's too many times to be in here in 1 month. You got a lot of potential, but you got to concentrate. You got to realize your potential. Now come with me.
I swear to God, Chet, you touch me again.
알렉스를 따라간 메리는 그의 미래를 생각해주며 조언을 하는데 분위기가 야릇해집니다.
What? No, and I'm not finishing it. I'm gonna
Do not puke.
I can't breathe.
No, just use your nose.
세미를 피해 몸을 숨기는 알렉스 그리고 테드는 술이 취한 상태로 동료와 실컷 떠들다 문득 자신이 저지른 행동에 후회가 밀려옵니다.
Are you crying?
I don't know. I just can't believe I did this to you, man. You're not made of cancer like I thought.
진실의 눈물에 서로의 마음을 열게 된 BMS. 그때
Whoa! What's going on here? You guys crying like a bunch of babies?
세미는 친구들을 탈출시켜주겠다며 탈옥을 위해 만들어 놓은 비밀 통로를 보여줍니다.
Where does it lead? At least to freedom and $700 worth of pizza. Get in there.
하지만 금방 들키고만 세미.
Sammy!
Oh shit!
What the hell?
See you on the other side, asshole!
Hell blue in the drug tank!
밖으로 나갑니다. 결승전을 코앞에 두고 최종 연습이 열립니다. 그리고 라도는 역대 최고의 컨디션을 보여줍니다.
Hey, coach. This QB shit is just too easy, man. I want to play receiver on Saturday.
Really? And I want to bang the Queen of England. But that ain't happening either. Get back in there and run the play.
하지만 마티의 말을 들을 리가 없는 라도는 공을 받으러 움직이다 테디에게 태클을 당합니다.
God damn it! Oh! Stick a fork in him! He's done, baby!
What is wrong with you? You don't hit the quarterback during practice!
My shoulder!
He was a receiver. Andy was in my zone. Anybody who comes in my zone gets laid out.
다행히 라도는 큰 부상이 아닙니다. 하지만
Radon, what the hell was that?
I'm injured, coach. I shouldn't be playing.
The trainers and the doctor said you're fine. Come on.
태클에 트라우마가 생겨 정상적인 활약을 펼치지 못합니다.
Moran should start Saturday.
알렉스가 결승에 선발로 나온다는 소문이 돌자 여자들이 모여듭니다.
Alex, Raydon says you're starting the game on Saturday. Is it true?
자매의 화끈한 합동 유혹에 알렉스는 정신을 차리지 못합니다.
You guys share the same phone number?
We share everything, and we mean everything. Well, why don't you sluts share a goodbye?
Oh, there it is.
See you at cheer practice.
알렉스는 주전 쿼터백이 이토록 많은 미인을 거느릴 거라고는 생각하지 못했습니다. 그때 갑자기 가슴을 부여잡고 쓰러지는 마티.
Somebody call an ambulance!
테드는 이 모든 것이 자신의 태클 때문이라며 라돈에게 다시 태클을 하면 용기를 얻을 거라고 이상한 소리를 합니다.
Look, maybe we can work together to fix Raydon. I vote we hit him again. My freshman year, I got hit in the nads so hard they went up inside my body for weeks. You know how I got those puppies to drop back down again? I have an idea, yeah. I told someone to hit me in the nads again.
라돈은 심리 치료를 받지만 그들은 치료는 하지 않고 이상한 짓만 계속합니다. 결국 충격요법을 선택한 마티.
You're being a pussy.
I'm being a what? Did you just hear what he just said to me?
Yes, I agree. You're being a gigantic pussy.
I'm being a pussy? He being a pussy, he the one in the hospital bed.
I just had a freaking heart attack, you pussy.
Man, stop calling me a pussy, you pussy. You the one got all the stuff hanging out your chest, man. Don't call me no pussy no more.
Oh, you want to play that game? Okay.
마티는 병실에서 일어서고 라돈과 함께 경기 당일 라커룸으로 돌아갑니다.
Marty.
Raydon.
Who ready to win a football game, baby? Yeah!
Get suited up, Raydon.
I'm back, baby. I'm back.
그때 화장실에서 나온 테드의 눈에 라돈이 보입니다. 테드는 강력한 태클을 겁니다. 그리고 이번엔 트라우마가 아닌 정말로 부상을 당했죠.
Oh, my shoulder.
He's really hurt this time.
여자가 꼬이는 건 좋지만 막상 선발로 출전하게 되니 긴장이 된 알렉스.
I believe in you, Moran. Mostly because I don't have a choice. Don't let all of us down.
잠시 뒤
Final seconds tick off the clock. The Goats have done it. 12-0. A perfect season for Coach Marty Daniels and the #1 ranked Blue Mountain State. And they did it behind the arm of backup quarterback Alex Moran.
알렉스의 환상적인 활약에 우승을 차지하는 BMS.
Calm down, calm down. They said I couldn't do it. They said I was washed up. But they can kiss my ass because we're #1.
마티는 오늘 경기에서 최고의 활약을 한 테디에게 게임볼을 줍니다. 그러자 가만히 있던 라돈이 목소리를 높입니다.
So you just go get that game ball? He the one who injured my shoulder. I carried this team the whole season. I should be getting that game ball.
그때 다급하게 다가오는 워렌.
They're going crazy out there.
Who's going crazy? Get that asshole out of here.
It's a riot!
BMS의 우승으로 팬들은 거리를 부수고 폭동을 일으킵니다.
You are witnessing what appears to be the biggest sports riot Blue Mountain State has seen in nearly 20 years. The last such riot at BMS resulted in $500,000 worth of damages, 39 injuries, and of course, the worst tragedy of all, the beloved Mountain Goat mascot was mauled and hung from the football house balcony. I'm Julia King, and I'm
Sammy.
우승을 하면 매년 마스코트가 살이 됐기 때문에 세미가 걱정되는 알렉스.
There's a good chance he's already dead, Moran. You should just wait here for the reporters. I'm sure they'll be interested in talking to you too. Especially if your friend is dead.
그때 TV의 고트하우스에 갇혀있는 메리가 잡히고
What are they doing in my house?
Somebody call the police!
알렉스는 고트하우스를 지키기 위해 원정대를 만듭니다.
This isn't just about Sammy and Mary Jo. If the goat house gets destroyed, we lose everything. The beer, the drugs,
원정을 떠납니다.
There's nothing to be scared of. Really?
Oh, did you see it?
하지만 금방 들키고 마는 알렉스.
Football players. Football players!
도서관으로 도망칩니다.
Harvey, get the door. Oh, great. The book room? Can't we find somewhere else to hide? This is my least favorite room on campus.
This is the safest place on campus during a riot. No one parties in here.
하지만 팬들은 금방 원정대를 쫓아왔고 그들의 리더가 모습을 드러내는데 놀랍게도 라돈이었습니다. 알렉스는 라돈에게 세미가 위험에 처한 걸 말하며 도와달라고 합니다. 하지만 라돈은 원하는 것이 있었죠.
I want that game ball.
No way!
No!
알렉스는 테디에게 게임볼은 가장 소중한 것이라며 자신을 도와주면 기자와 인터뷰를 거절하고 모든 공을 라돈에게 돌리겠다고 말합니다.
The headlines are gonna read Goats 12-0, Radon Randall saves the day.
You lucky I rioted all my anger out. I'll do it.
Great.
카트를 타고 코트하우스로 향합니다.
You're pretty good at this.
I'm from Detroit. Our sports fans invented rioting.
Where'd you get the police gear?
From a police officer.
하지만 벌써 붙잡힌 세미.
Let's hang the goal!
그리고 목이 매달리고 나서야 알렉스가 도착합니다.
Back up! Back up! Sammy! Sammy!
이때 마틴은 폭동을 진정시키기 위해 기자회견을 합니다.
And we did it not because we became champions again, but because we remembered we always were.
그때 라돈에게 달려드는 폭도가 보이자 소중한 게임볼을 던지는 테드.
We did this together, as one, and as one, we will celebrate what we achieved.
알렉스는 세미를 침대로 옮깁니다. 그런데 그가 기절한 게 아닌 걸 눈치채고 자신은 메리에게 향한 뒤 치어리더는 세미에게 양보해주죠.
And now there's only one other thing I have to say to you, Blue Mountain State. 12-0!